Hi, it's Betty back from the Vibank Library today. How are you? We're making jam jams today for tomorrow. We're going to have a program with jam cookies in with our Valentine's packages, so that's what I'm doing tonight. And what I've done is I beat it up two eggs here first of all. Then I'm going to put in a cup of brown sugar. Mix that in there. And from there, I put in my cup of shortening. That here. I used butter tonight. I didn't use shortening. I used actual butter. Okay. Mix that up in here. And then I've got 6 tablespoons of corn syrup here. Corn syrup. I've got 6 pre-measured in here, 6 tablespoons already. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Oh, well, a little extra vanilla won't hurt. 2 teaspoons of soda, 2 level teaspoons of soda. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll mix that all up. And then we will add our flour. 3 to 4 cups of flour. We want to have a nice dough so we can roll it out, and then we'll cut parts out for tonight for jam. Usually I do circles like our donuts, but tonight I'm going to do tarts because it's Valentine's Day. Just mix that up good. So we have it mixed up good. And then I'm going to add my flour, but I'm going to sift it first. So it's got 3 cups measured here. I might have to add some more. Doesn't matter if I put some close to the side. Okay, I've got 3 cups of flour in here now, so it's still a little too soft. So I'm going to keep adding flour till I have it the right consistency, so it's a nice soft dough, so I can roll it out on the counter and press out some cookies. Okay, now we're going to be ready to roll it out on some flour. This is what it should look like. Consistency like this. It's soft but rollable. You don't want to put too much flour in it. I'll just do it a little bit like this. You can see it's quite malleable, quite soft. The softer you can get your dough and still be able to roll it, the moister the cookies will be. Okay, so I'm going to just take half of this. Almost half of it anyways. And press it out and then we'll roll it. So now we've got it rolled out. Now I'm just going to take my little heart and press out. We bake these at 350 till they're just lightly brown. The trick is also when you bake them, not to get them too brown. As long as they're cooked, still soft. So here we have our 2 pans of cookies for now. I'll probably make another 2 pans on this batch. We still have some more in the bowl. We'll put these now in the oven at 350, I should say, for about 7-8 minutes, or till they're just lightly brown, and not too brown, and then we'll take them back out. If they're too brown, they'll get too hard. So now these cookies are done. They're not very brown, but that's how you'll want them. You don't want them too dark, or else they'll get too hard. You want them nice and soft. So we took them out fairly quickly. See each of the edge here? They're actually a little bit too brown on the edges of it. Just a few of them. Probably is the part that's a little thinner on the part of the cookie, so it cooks a little faster. Okay, here we've got the traditional shapes, just like the regular jam should be. We've got a few hearts on the end. I'm going to put them in the oven. Okay. So right now we have two cool off cookies. A little bit of strawberry jam in between here. Not a whole lot, just a little. That. And make sure like this. As close to the edge as you can. It's a little bit much here. Now we do is we close the other side up like this. And you have a typical jam made out of a heart. And this one here we'll put on here. And now what we're going to do is take them to school, and tomorrow night and we're sending one home for each kid. And they can icing them and decorate them however they want. We're going to send some icing along. So if you want your kids to come in and have some of these cookies and pick them up and take them home and icing them and decorate them for Valentine's Day, come in all this week from Tuesday, all of this week until Friday. And they'll have their Valentine cookies in time for Valentine's Day. Thank you. Come back to see you at Vibank Library. Bye.